Hey everyone, in this video, we will guide you through setting up the DiSWIKI age menu system. This system allows you to check the age of users joining your Discord server and ensure they meet your server's age requirements. The first step is to run the /age menu set command. This command creates the age check menu and allows you to configure the system for your server. As part of the setup process, you'll need to specify a role. This role will automatically be assigned to users once they successfully complete the age check. You can also configure a log channel. This channel will receive logs whenever a user completes the age check process. You can also configure whether a user's date of birth should be included in the logs. Use this parameter to set to either log or not log the user's date of birth. By default, this option is enabled, and the date of birth will be included in the logs. You can also configure an action for users who do not meet your server's age requirement. Available actions include ban, kick, and report the user. This allows you to choose the response that best fits your server's moderation policy. The age check embed is fully customizable. You can modify the title, description, color, and image to match your server's branding and style. Once everything is configured, users will be able to complete the age check directly through the menu. Qualified users will receive the configured role automatically, while all activity can be tracked through your log channel. And that's it. You've successfully configured the DiSWIKI age menu system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.